Hello friends, today we will see how to use format specifier, that is %f, %d, %f, %i and %s. These are format specifier, means in output statement or in print statement these are specifying what type of data is there. So how to use this format specifier in Python? If you have knowledge of C programming, there we are using this format specifier. Now in, for example, in Python, how to use, for example, I have this a is equal to 10, b is equal to 1.2, that is float value. Then a string is there, string name is one person name, that is Suresh is there. So now if I use this format specifier, how to use this format specifier, we will see. We have to use print. Now in this string we are going to use format specifier. For example, %d, here I want to print the integer number. Then %f, I want to print here float number, that is 1.2, and here I want to print string, so that is name. So I have specified here. Now next what you have to do, you don't have to write comma or dot, you have to just give, you have to use this %sign, and what are the values you want to replace here, those values you have to specify. For example, a, b and name I want to replace with it. So after this we will check what output we are getting. If I run this file, now I am getting 10 and 1.2 and Suresh, means whatever these values are there, whatever this format specifier are specifying, those are getting replaced. We haven't tried with I, so if I use %i and like that, and if I want to a, use a there for %i. %i is specifying this is integer number. Now it is in 10 and 10 and 1.2 and Suresh, means whatever the arguments we are passing here, so this format specifier getting replaced with the value of these variables. So in this way you can use this format specifier. When you are using format specifier in print statement, you don't have to write comma or dot, directly you have to use this %sign, and in brackets you have to pass the arguments name which are replacing this format specifier. So in this way you can use format specifier in Python. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.